Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides social login solution for your PrestaShop store, and it is the best social login solution available in the market. So, in this video, we are going to see how to set up miniOrange social login module on your PrestaShop store. Navigate to Modules from left-hand side menu. Click on Module Manager. Click on Configure button for miniOrange social login and connect module. You can choose the application you want to activate from the menu. Follow the instructions given below to set up custom application. Enter the client ID and client secret obtained after setting up custom application. Click on Test Configuration button. You will receive a confirmation from the application that test configuration is successful. That means your custom application is set correctly. You can enable or disable the application from the toggle button. Similarly, set up and enable all the required applications. Navigate to Customize Icons tab. In this tab you will get all the options to customize social login icons. We provide 4 different shapes for social login icons. We also provide 6 different themes including default, white background, hover, custom background, custom hover and smart theme for social login icons. We also provide transform effect for all types of icons. You can also change the size and space between the icons. Text on login buttons and login form is also editable. Go to Redirect Options tab. In this tab you can find options to redirect users on specific page after login such as My Account, My Store or Custom URL. We also provide an option to redirect users after logout. Go to Display Options tab. Here you can see all the option where you can display social login icons. Select all the options where you want to display social login icons on your PrestaShop store. Let's see how social login works on your PrestaShop store. The login buttons of all the enabled applications will be displayed on the login page. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at socialloginsupport@securify.com.